Why real Black Forest Cuckoo clocks cost more and why that's a good thing. Hi again, here's Marcus. So today, let me be very honest. In 2026, people do not hesitate to spend more on the phone, even though they will replace it within the next 2 years. But when it comes to a real cuckoo clock, something built to last for decades, suddenly everybody asks, why is it so expensive? Well, let's clear this up once and for all. A real Black Forest cuckoo clock costs more for one reason. It's not built for replacement. It is actually built for legacy. Here are 3 reasons why. The first one, the materials. Authentic cuckoo clocks are made from real wood, not plastic, not pressed boards, and not any cheap imitations. You can feel it immediately. The weight, the carving depth, the quality of the finish. Real wood also ages with character. Fake materials actually, well, they just age. Second, the movement. A true Black Forest clock is mechanical precision. It's built with parts that can be serviced, repaired, and of course maintained. This isn't a use it until it dies product. It's a kept running it product or keep it running product. And that changes everything. Because when you buy the right clock, you are not buying for a season. You're actually buying for lifetime. Third, the craftsmanship. These clocks are assembled and tested and quality checked by experienced hands in the Black Forest. They are not built to survive only shipping. They are built to survive time. Of course, maintenance matters. Like any mechanical instrument, a cuckoo clock benefits from proper care. But when treated well, it doesn't just last for years. It becomes part of your home. And here's the real difference. A cheap clock tells you the time. A real one makes memories. Birthdays, family dinners, holidays, moments that matter to you. And one day, it's not just yours anymore. It's something you pass on. At Montag Steins Clocks, we focus exclusively on authentic German originals, family owned since 1973. No replicas. If you'd like to see our collection of real Black Forest clocks, visit us at steinsandclocks.com. Take your time, and if you have questions, leave a comment. I'm happy to help. Thank you very much. We truly appreciate it.